Subscribe my channel Super Maniac and click the bell icon so you never miss another update. Hey, what is up guys? This is Aditya and you're watching Super Maniac, and today's video I'm going to tell you all about the new Apple website which recently got released in India, and also I'll be telling you how to avail student offer on it. So let's get rolling. So let me first introduce you to this Apple website, and as you can see this is pretty much similar to the previous time and nothing much have changed, but there is a slight hint or slight touch of Apple India now. There is a sort of Indian theme as you can see here probably. Okay, so let me just move up and let's see what are the other things we get. So as you can see, now you can shop with Apple Specialist, and now there is no contact delivery, and you can choose how to pay, and you can also exchange your phone. That could be Android or that could be an iPhone, and you can upgrade your Mac online through Apple's official website. And also you get a free session from Apple's official tech support, and now of course you can avail the Apple Care directly. Also you get a range of Apple product to choose from, so that's kind of great convenient. Anyways, now let's talk about the main topic right now, that's education price or educational discount for students. Anyways, you are supposed to click on to that page, and this another block will open. So basically you cannot get any educational or student offer on iPhones or AirPods in India, but this is not the case in other countries. You might get there for AirPods and other product also, but in India you only get student discount on iPad and MacBook. So you were supposed to click onto the link, and it will ask you to verify yourself, and you can either verify from calling Apple directly, or you can log in into Unidays website. That's pretty much a partnership with Apple for student offers. Okay, so let me just continue with Unidays itself, and the thing is you will get this blog which will ask you to fill your institution name and the year of study with the course length, and once you fill that you will get this another blog which will ask you to fill in the personal institution email. But if you don't have it, don't worry. Simply you can do is click on to support. There will be option below that, and you will get this kind of blog, and you can just simply click that the email is invalid or you simply don't have it. So you will get this option to use your ID card. And now if you don't even have your ID card, you can just simply click that you don't have ID card, and you will get this supporting document. Supporting document is basically a fee receipt of your college or something like that. So you can just fill that in, and you are ready to go. And remember, this is how you will get this after verification, and it will take a slight time to verify your account. It will not immediately verify your account. It might take around 4 to 5 hours. So once you are ready and once your account is verified, you will be able to avail all the student offers from Unidays and Apple. Okay guys, this was all for today's video. Hopefully you liked it. Make sure to subscribe my channel, give this video a thumbs up. Also make sure to share it. And I upload my videos every Thursday and Saturday. This is Super Maniac signing out.